Got hit with that dreaded error pixel. Access denied when trying to div back into Night City. Trust me, there's nothing more frustrating than having your Cyberpunk session abruptly halted by a mysterious access denied message, leaving you wondering what went wrong. But don't worry, soon we're about to demystify this error and get you back into the neon-drenched streets with some straightforward fixes. Sometimes Windows just needs a gentle nudge or rather explicit permission for applications to do their thing properly. Running Cyberpunk as an administrator can often bypass these access deny hiccups by giving the game the elevated permissions it needs. Simply right-click on your game's executable or launcher icon, select Run as Administrator, and see if that gets you past the loading screen and into Night City. Your trusty antivirus software, while essential for keeping your safe, can sometimes be a little overprotective and block legitimate game processes, mistaking them for threats. Temporarily disabling your antivirus or adding an exclusion for the Cyberpunk installation folder and its executable files might just do the trick. Just remember to re-enable it or properly add those exceptions once you're back in the game. Corrupted or missing game files are a surprisingly common culprit behind mysterious errors like XO. Both Steam and GOG Galaxy have built-in functions to verify the integrity of your game files, which essentially scans your installation and replaces any problematic or missing data. It's like giving your game a quick health checkup to ensure everything's perfectly in order. If the previous steps haven't worked, the issue might lie deeper in your system's folder permissions for the games directory. You might need to manually adjust the security settings for the Cyberpunk folder, giving your user account full read and write access. This involves right-clicking the folder, going into its properties, and tweaking the security permissions to ensure nothing is blocking the game from accessing its own files.